I'm going to show you how to use Google Documents to do a freehand map. First thing you want to do is find one. In this case, I wrote Ancient Rome map. Click on the map itself, right click, and you want to say copy image URL. Then you go into Google Docs, you go to create, and you go to drawing, like this. You go up to the insert button, you go to image. Since I have the URL, I go to the URL, I paste it, Control V in there, and you can see it already pops up. Select, and I want to make it as big as the screen, so I drag a corner and try to make it nice and neat. And now I want to trace it, and I'll show you why in a second. So I go to Insert, Line, Scribble, Insert, Line, and Scribble, and I get this plus thing. And so here, the dark red is what I want to trace, basically, and I'm going to do this rather quickly. But I'm going to go around the northern part of the Mediterranean first. And I am putting my left cursor down with my left hand. I'm holding the left clicker button, cursor button, and I'm using the mouse to trace Italy at this point. And then I'm just going around all of it. And I will do, if I were going to take the time, I'd do the beneath the Mediterranean, but I'm not going to do that right now. And I get up here exactly where I started, and then I let it go, and you can see that it bolded all of a sudden. Now, here's the thing. It's good for the kids to freehand draw, but you don't want them to turn in this. You want them to then write where Gaul is, and that's easy. I just go to text box, and I can write Gaul, G-A-U-L, and then click off of it. And then I want to get rid of the map. So all I do is I go up to my arrow, and you notice it's bolded, click on it, and then I come down here and I click on the map so it's outlined, and I simply push my delete key, and all of a sudden we have an outlined map, which the kids have learned to do. They can either share it with you using the share button, or they can then download it and there are multiple features they can do. I hope this was helpful.